Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys about the gradient tool and how to use the gradient tool in making an image like I'm trying to do here with that page scroll look. What you want to do is you want to go over here to your toolbox bar and you want to click the gradient tool, and you want to double make sure that the linear gradient is actually selected here at the top. And you want from black to white. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to click and drag from the top to the bottom. Now you want to make sure that it's black to white, just like I have here, for it to look real. And if you want to kind of mess with it just a little bit to get more of a different type of look, you can do that. Like that is pretty good. And what we want to do now is actually hit Command or Control D to deselect that selection. As you can see, I have done. And it looks kind of funny now, but in the next clip I'm actually going to show you how to free transform this and use the new warp feature in Photoshop. And the warp feature has been introduced since CS2, I believe, but it is a very powerful tool and you can do many things with it. And on this tutorial I'm actually just showing you one of the things that can be done with the warp tool. So if you hang on, I'll show you next how to actually free transform this.